welcome to my channel. Yes, it is time for another Temu haul, and I'm excited to share with you guys what I got. Now, I use Temu stuff all the time, and you can get it for a fraction of the price. A lot of these things are up to 90% off. You also get free shipping, and if some of those items can be late, you sometimes get a $5 credit. I've got it, and why not? Because it's free shipping for your next purchase anyways. But if you guys are interested, they have a coupon code that you guys can do when you download the app. You end up getting a $100 bundle. So it's not $100 off, but it is a $100 coupon code bundle. You just have to use the code DKQ2539 when you guys download the app, and you guys can get a $100 bundle of some really great stuff. So definitely check that out. I will have everything below in the description of everything that I share with you. So let's just dig in, and I can share with you guys what I want. So I've been really into organizing. My craft area, I've been really trying to get it organized, getting things to a T. I've been working on my upstairs. Everywhere I go, I want to try to make things easier with, you know, organization. So I ended up getting this cool little thing. It is basically just like a little organizer. You can use this for makeup. You guys can use this for pretty much anything. But it basically has like some compartments here, and then it's got 3 tall compartments here, and then it's got 4 little drawers. So this was I gotta figure out what this was. This one was $11.29. $11.29, which I absolutely love because this is something I can use for my craft room. This is something I can use for my makeup. But I thought this would be super cool, and then I can put all my pens and stuff in here, and then I can put some stickers or some of my, actually I think I want to put my rubber bands in there because I'm always using rubber bands, and I thought those would be cute little drawers to have for the rubber band. Then the next thing I got was something really cool. Now, I've been getting a lot of the shelves from Teemu, and I love them for my my little Funko Pop displays. And I thought, this is cute. My daughter always keeps asking me if she could have something to help her with her little figurines. My kids are loving like blind box things, and this is pink. And I thought, this is super cute. It was super easy to put together, and it's very durable. Like, I really love this. So I got this for her. And this was just $9.49. I thought this is super cute for her to use for when she wants to put like her little figurines or something on here for her little room. But for $9.49, it's a nice sturdy 3-shelf thing. You can use that for that. You could use it for spices. You could use it for anything that you need to have them 3-tiered. So I ended up getting that. Another thing I got are these these little drawers. My son saw this and he's like, Mom, can I have this? Because he wants to organize stuff. But I'm always loving these little tiny drawers. And these have little bunnies with them, which was super cute. And this was $5.49 for, what, 5 drawers? I thought that was a great price. They slide in super easy. They are perfect. And they also did come with some stickers, which are super cute that you can put on the drawers and everything. But and then I like it how you can put stuff on top. But this is very, like, pretty durable for a little cute little drawer. But I wanted to get some of these again to put some of my stuff that I designed just for my little desk area to make things a little bit organized so I can find things easier and have it that way. So yes, I got that. The next thing I got is, now this could be a craft item, but it could be something else. I kind of just put it in this, but these are acrylic corners. So if I'm trying to, like, I should have put this in my craft bin, but basically what they are is if you need to like have a stencil or something to cut straight, you got little corners that have the like measure, like this is 5/16, this is 5/8, but it's just a bunch of little corners that I can do as like a ruler and everything. And I thought these are perfect for when I need to like cut something out or just kind of make things a little bit easier. So I ended up getting these. There's 7 pieces, and these were $7.99. So they're perfect for like crafting. They're perfect for tracing. I kind of got that for my kids because they've been like kind of just drawing and stuff, so it'd be perfect for that. This is a repeat buy, you guys. This is always a repeat buy. So this is a little organizer that I use for my bedroom closet. It is a wire shelf, but it's plastic, but it is $2.79, and this is a 3-pack. What I actually do is last year I ended up folding and organizing all my clothes by like pajamas, by workout pants, blue jeans, sweatpants. And then it's two pieces, I thought it was three. But what you do is you just put it on your shelf, and then you can divide it so the clothes don't fall into each other. And I am absolutely loving these. I wish they had more of an option to get like 10 of these at a time, but this is one thing that I have gotten multiple times, and I absolutely love it because it keeps my closet organized. I ended up getting these for, I want to get more for my kids, and I want to get more for my husband's side of his closet. Just so we can organize. So Temu, if you're watching, please have it where there's more than just the two. I just love it if they had like a bigger pack. But for $2.79, I think this is a great deal. So got that. Then I ended up getting this little thing. This is just like one of those little bars that you can extend, and I thought this would be something kind of cool. I have this tissue paper that I use, and I thought I could probably put this on something in between something, so then I can just drape my tissue paper over it. This only extends, it doesn't extend that far, but this is like as big as my tissue paper, so I want to find something where I can put it in between it, so I'm not like ruining the tissue paper. But I thought this is super cute. It's just like a little rod. It says it can be like a shower curtain, but it's not big enough for an actual shower curtain. I mean, it pretty much doubles in size, but this was just $1.99, and I thought I can definitely use something like this to organize my craft area that I have. And then this is, I got a couple more items. I got this little seat cushion. I'm always downstairs where I am right now, always working on stuff, and I have a gel seat upstairs, and I wanted to get a new one, but this is just basically just like a cushion with like the gel in it. So I thought this would be kind of cool just to sit on instead of sitting on like this tough chair that I sit in. And this was just $9.49, which I'm actually going to put in my chair right now and sit on it. And it's a lot more comfier. It's just a lot more comfier, which I absolutely love. So that was $9.49 for that. And then I actually have I got a magnetic tool. We had to use this the other day because our microwave broke and we had to get the screws out of the back. But this is just an extension, like magnetic wand, which I actually really like, because when you're always unscrewing something, you don't want to have the screw fall off, or if you don't want to bend over. But this was just a little magnetic screw thing. This was $2.99. $2.99 for this, which is a great little toy. And then the next thing I got is a 20-piece magnets. Now, I ended up getting some acrylic, like, calendar things for my fridge. Well, my fridge is actually, like, a little bowed, and those sides are straight. So I actually wanted to get some magnets so I could extend out the sides, so like one magnet, and I might need one on one side, but the other one I might need like 3. So I got these to kind of extend my little magnet signs that I want to use. So those were a 20-piece for $3.99. So I'm pretty excited to use that for when I use my magnets. So that was everything that I got for this haul. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you, Temu, for sponsoring this video. But I love to share with you guys stuff that I get from Temu. And like I said, I use some of this stuff on a regular basis. So I'm always trying to make my life a little bit easier by organizing and keeping everything that way. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a great big thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.